Hi everyone, my name is Nitin from Vending Thailand. Today we will discuss all the FAQ related with the perfume vending machine. So let's start. Our machine also have a sound system. When you touch on the screen, the machine will tell you the instruction to use it. Let me show you, okay?
Welcome to Perfume Vending Machine for your perfect
Welcome to Perfume Vending Machine.
experience.
Yeah.
And let us guide
It's
you
a
through
script.
programs.
So when you, like example this, nozzle 3,
Nozzle 4,
nozzle 4, there is a sound. Yeah. So you can increase or decrease the sound in our program also. Okay, let's test nozzle 5. Okay,
Nozzle 5,
nozzle 5, press select.
almost there.
Then you
Please
just
continue
scan the code.
yourself.
Let me show you how it works. Okay, okay, payment successful in my mobile. You will receive a message. Yeah,
Payment successful.
payment
Your items will
successful.
be dispensed from Nozzle 5.
Okay, it's saying that my spray will come out from nozzle 5. So we just press the start button. After that it will have a countdown, then the spray will come out. So okay, let's try.
Get ready.
Get ready. 3, 2, 1, and it will spray. Yeah. You can see. Yeah. Yeah. You can even set the quantity of this spray by yourself in our program. You want to dispense a less perfume or more perfume also. Okay, so first question is, my customer usually asks how many types of spray this machine can dispense and total number of spray. So our machine, we have 5 different nozzles, so it can dispense 5 different types of spray, and total number of spray is, you can one nozzle can dispense 750. So we have 5 different nozzles, so 750 into 5 is 3000 spray in one machine. Okay, let's move to the second question. Can we set up amount of spray and prices? Yes, you can. You can set up the quantity of spray for dispense also, and you can also set up the price by our mobile app. Okay, let's move to the third question. How much electricity it consume? So our machine consume 40 watt, and the size of our machine is 72 into 25 into 42 centimeter. The next question is, how many types of payment system our machine can accept? So we can accept coin payment, bill payment, scan payment, and even credit card payment also our machine can accept. Let's move to the next question. Does your app has inventory management app? Yes, we do. When customer buy our vending machine, we provide free mobile app for whole life. So customer didn't need to pay any single rupee or baht or dollar for use of our application. So it's free lifetime, and you can check up sales, monthly sales, and inventory left in your machine, and you can set up price, product pictures, everything by using our mobile application. And even you can set up the color of the LED by your app also. Okay, let's move to the next question. Some customer asks, do you manufacture yourself? Yes, we do. We are a big company in Thailand that manufacture not only the perfume vending machine, but a lot of many types of vending machines. And next question is about, can we set up advertisement and in the perfume vending machine? Yes, we can. As you can see over here is a picture advertisement, and you can also have a video advertisement together. As you can see right now, it's running a video also continue. So customer can upload videos by themselves and promote their own brand. Okay, let's move to the next question. What type of location we should put this type of vending machine for earn profits? So first of all, you should put in nightclubs, bar, pubs, and any place that have a lot of tourists. That will be the best location for it. Okay, let's move the next question about the return on investment on this machine. So, 100 ml bottle can spray 750 times. So, example, you bought a 100 ml perfume bottle, it will cost between $130 to $170, depends on the types of perfume. Okay, so our machine can dispense 100 ml 750, you can divide it, and it will cost like 0.2 USD per spray only, and you can set up price to be like $1 or $2 for per spray. So there is a lot of margin. After you deduct the cost of electricity or rent and everything, still you earn a good profit by using this machine. So these are all the questions FAQ customer usually ask us. So if you have any query, any questions, you can contact us through our website, or you can add my WhatsApp and line ID also. My website is www.vendingthailand.com, and our contact is +66 8254195564. Feel free to contact us anytime. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.